Hey knitters, I'm working on the Tweedy Topper boot cuffs today. And this is a really quick tip. Put a locking stitch marker to mark the top of the topper. Because you work to the same, when you put them on your legs, you want the buttons and the bind off to face the back, which will make one way and the other way. So to keep it straight, just pop a locking stitch marker on the top, and then when you turn it inside out, make sure your locking stitch marker is again at the top, and you're all set for working the inside. This is the right cuff, so I'm going to be picking up and purling. You want to start here at the bind off edge from where the button is, just for more security, because if you start here, it's going to be really wonky the first couple of rows. So start back here and then pick up and purl all the way around here. Okay, so I've got my Mora and my Verano and my needle, and I'm starting here, and this is the right cuff, so I am picking up and purling. And notice I'm only going through one of the slip stitch edges, so you only want to go through that part, not the whole slip stitch. And this is again just to keep the inside tucked nice and neatly inside when you flip it over your boots. So at the end here, just make sure everything's aligned nicely for your calf size, and continue on picking up. So you do that all the way around, and then you join in the round and you work the inside. Just as a way of a PS, this is going to be the right cuff, and I'll be picking up and purling and working around this way. On the left cuff, your stitch marker will be here, and you'll be picking up and knitting and working around that way. So that's why you want to use the stitch marker, just so that you make sure you're doing the right pick up a purl or pick up and knit that you need to be doing. Happy knitting!